If you've just bought the Canon Rebel T7 or EOS 2000D, then congratulations, because you have just bought an excellent DSLR camera. My name is Jeremy Bayston, and I've worked in the photographic industry for nearly 30 years, working mainly as a picture editor for national newspapers in the United Kingdom. I have worked with and learnt from some of the best photographers in the business. I'm passionate about photography, and I want to share my passion and my knowledge with you. The Canon Rebel T7 or EOS 2000D user guide is designed for people who want to know all about their DSLR camera so that they can take great pictures and videos. We start by setting up the camera properly as it comes out of the box, and then we take a look at all the buttons. Then we examine the important role of the mode dial and go on to look at the menu options in great detail. Then we see what fun can be had with the creative filters and look at the best autofocus settings. And if you're a little nervous about using the flash, well, don't worry, because we have a superb chapter on shooting with pop-up flash and also with flash guns. If you bought the camera to shoot video, you'll enjoy our extensive look at shooting movies with the Rebel T7 and also how to record sound, both through the internal microphone in the camera and with external recording devices. Finally, we show you how to set up the Wi-Fi on your camera so that you can send your pictures from the camera to your mobile phone and also control your camera remotely. This course really does cover all the bases, and all the videos have over-the-shoulder content so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. So if the Canon Rebel T7 or EOS 2000D is your first DSLR camera, or if you bought it to take your photography a stage further, then this course is perfect for you. Enroll now, and I'll see you very soon.